How to pass kidney stones quickly with these natural remedies. The most essential thing you can do for your kidney health is to take care of your body, to lower your chances of acquiring ailments that put a burden on your kidneys. To prevent kidney stones, you need to know what caused your kidney stone. It is a solid mass that formed in the kidneys when high concentrations of chemicals ordinarily found in the urine. Calcium, oxalate and phosphorus in the urine are elevated in the kidney stones. The easiest strategy to avoid kidney stones is to ensure that you drink lots of water every day in order to avoid dehydration. To prevent waste items turning into kidney stones, it's very vital to keep your urine diluted. So, how do we effectively treat the kidney stones and get rid of them? Fill your water with lemon. It's a natural treatment that has been applied by traditional nephrologists. Lemon water is generally promoted as a cleaning or an alkalising drink, but its citric acid content is the key reason why it helps to reduce the formation of stones. Citric acid suppresses the production of stones and fractures tiny stones into formation. The more citric acid you are protected from developing new kidney stones in your urine. Urine is less beneficial to the production of stones due to citric acid. It prevents the problem of tiny stones or coated and other materials are prevented from being fixed and constructed on the stones. The citric acid is the most common in lemons and limes. Citric acid pharmacological dosages are beneficial in stone therapy, which is administered as potassium citrate. Treatment can be expensive, however, and takes up to 12 tablets every day. A half cup, 4 ounces, of pure lemon juices or 32 ounces of made lemonade a day provides approximately the same amounts of citric acid as pharmacology. Dilute 2 ounces of lemon juice with 6 ounces of water and drink it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.